Hello everyone. I am Adyasha, a student of KVIT Kanpur. Welcome to our own podcast of Kendriya Vidyalay's original, The Infinite Horizon. Today we have our board topper guest who has made our entire school very proud, Miss Shorbi Kushwaha. So welcome Shorbi, how are you feeling? Hello. Thank you for inviting me. I'm really feeling very happy and honored to be here. First of all, a big congratulations on your achievement. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here. To start off, could you tell us about yourself, what you love to do, and that amazing final percentage you achieved? As you have told, I'm Shorvi and I've scored about 97 percentage in my board examination. Along with that, I'm also national level yoga candidate as well as flute player. I'm very grateful to my parents and whoever supported me. Wow, that's an incredible achievement. Your hard work has truly paid off this time. Tell us who or what was your main inspiration, what kept you going when you were feeling low down, or you were doubting yourself. My inspiration has always been my parents. They supported me and reminded me never to lose my confidence even when I doubted myself. That's beautiful. Now, everyone wants to know the secret behind your studies. What was your daily study routine like? Was it a bit strict, rigid, or you were lenient with your studies? It was not that strict. First, I attend school, then rest for a while, and then study for a few hours. After that, I go for my practice, and then spend my quality time with my family, which is very important. And later on, I continue my studies till late at night. Okay, so that makes very total sense. Quality over quantity. Which specific study techniques helped you a lot to understand the complex concepts of class 10th as it's hyped so? Honestly, class 10 concepts are not complex as we thought they are. What important is we have to focus on understanding the concept, not just memorizing them. So when I complete my chapters, I study plenty of questions on it, and uh, from them I उससे confidence मिलता है और that's all. That's an excellent strategy. मतलब बहुत अच्छी strategy है. Let's talk about this subject. Which subject was that gave creeps down your spine and which was very easy for you? Uh, Mathematics and science were my strongest subjects, and English was my biggest challenge because I never pay much attention to it initially, but then I realized that uh, I was losing my marks because of that. So I practiced speaking in English, reading newspapers, and then gradually I improved my performance. Wow, hard work and strategy combined. Did you have any major fears going out of your comfort zone and going to another school, giving the examinations? Honestly, I was not scared of board examination ever. For me, they are just another exams and should not be overhyped. And I always stay calm and be work hard from initial and avoid last minute pressure. Okay, so you avoided last minute pressure. Speaking of support systems, how did the support of your parents and teachers affected you? My parents always supported me throughout my journey. They remind me that what I am and what define me. Marks are, even if I get low marks, it doesn't matter. And my teachers solved my all doubts so patiently. Okay, so the parents and teachers were your guiding light, yeah, and they helped you a lot. Now let's start and rapid fire round to lighten things up. I want the honest answers which come to your mind the first I ask the questions. So you ready? Yeah. Night owl or early bird? Night owl. Wow. Physical printed textbooks or digital notes? Physical printed textbooks. Tea or coffee? Coffee. One motivational quote that keeps you going. Life is a journey, not a race. Life is a journey, not a race. One specific book or app that you love to study with. One shorts in YouTube. Okay, so the distractions which are caused on YouTube, the YouTube helped you a lot. That is what we call self-control. Self-control. So you are very self-controlled. Yeah. Love those quick answers. Before we wrap up, what's your ultimate piece of advice to the juniors or our viewers who are listening today?
I would say that focus on learning rather than just scoring good, and clear your all concepts, solve PYQs, and importantly, don't be a bookworm. Invest your times in other activities too.
Wise words indeed. Finally, what are your future plans? What do you plan to do ahead? And how did you choose your stream?
Uh, I'm a science stream student because I love logical thinking, and my ultimate dream is to be successful through hard work and make my parents feel proud and build a beautiful future for me.
Wonderful. We have no doubt that you will achieve everything you have said today. Thank you so much for sitting down with us today and sharing your inspiring journey.
It's so pleasure for me, and I will be so glad if my advice will help my junior.
And a huge thanks to all our listeners. We hope that Sabi's journey inspires us all and we keep going and chase our goals with dedication. Till then, keep curious, keep learning, and bye.